Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by measuring and trimming precisely so the edge will behave during stitching. Cut away damaged selvage. Leave 2 to 3 inches beyond your design to secure later. Apply a fray control product along the raw edge. This prevents loose threads while you work. Once dry, lightly press the border flat so it lies true. These steps stabilize the fabric and save time later, because a neat, treated edge makes hooping easier and reduces distortion as you cross-stitch. Once the edge is prepped, fold a 1/2 to 1 inch hem and press. This creates a clean working margin and reduces fabric stretch. Baste the folded edge with long running stitches, spacing about 1/4 in, to hold the hem while you stitch. You can also use low-tack fabric tape for a faster temporary hold. For added protection on small or frequently handled pieces, run a narrow zigzag or overcast stitch near the raw edge. These steps keep the weave intact, and to finish, remove any basting after your cross-stitch is complete so the border sits flat. Press the piece face down between towels to protect stitches, using low heat. Trim corners to reduce bulk, then secure the final hem with small slip stitches or a dab of fabric glue on the wrong side. If you see puckering, loosen the hoop or reblock the fabric on a flat surface and restretch. This corrects tension issues without damaging the embroidery, an essential troubleshooting move.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.